Bahlali sanibonani. Councillor Zungu here. I'm the MMC in the city of Johannesburg. Sibuyile abahlali today. Today it's a Monday, the 6th of October at 6 a.m. We're back here at the Villa St. George. We're expanding our operation today to the next streets. I think we're comfortable now with the Villa streets. People are moving freely. People are happy that the city is being reclaimed. As you can see, that TTMPD is here fully. They are here day and night. And we're making sure that we restore the city of Johannesburg. Today we're going to be having entities. We're going to be working together with us today to clean the streets. We don't want any lawlessness in the city of Johannesburg. We don't want people who are trading illegally. We don't want people who don't have any documentation in the city of Johannesburg. We're not fighting any illegal people, but we do not want anyone who do not have any papers. We want people to be here legally so that they can work together with us. We're trying to do away with criminality in the city of Johannesburg. I like the fact that we're getting a lot of cooperation from our people. And we're going to continue with this process until we get it right. We are not only here for G20 or for elections, but we want to be happy, yourself to be happy with the city. We want to be happy with the city so that we are all fine and we're happy. Thank you very much.
Ngoba siza nje sixoxa ngale ukuthi yabo sekwenzeka izinto zabalula nje manje sesiyakwazi ukuhamba sikhululeke and nje manje sekuvuleka iplace ebesingayiboni sesibone nezindawo thawu kanti laphe kunje sathi sisabuzana nje ukuthi kwenzakalani cha mina ngibona kukuhle enisenzele khona ngathi ngangaphela amandla futhi ngathi nakwezinye indawo ngaba kanje because indawo engiyibona senze makuse yiJohannesburg so manje ngaqeda eJohannesburg kube right nibheke nakwamanye ama-province ngicabanga ukuthi operation yenzeka la nakwamanye ama-province bazojabulela uma beyibona niqhuba ngale ndlela niqhuba ngayo bafethu siyabonga
bantu asebamsana. I'm feeling for abantu abasuka kude bathi bazothenga eJoburg. Yo ayimbi into elapha namhlanje jongani kuvaliwe i-shops because kuyaredwa kufuna amaphepha, like it's a lot that is happening, but I can't really give it details because andizazi, but kuvaliwe qha into endiyaziyo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. uSibab Zungu batohlala abalapha eJohannesburg CBDO batoqosha ama-foreigner if abaningani, and uyasho ukuthi seyihlobile leya ndzawo because ma-foreigners bawakhiphile avuke ekuseni. Siyabona bavuke ekuseni manager abayohlala lapha kuleyo ndzawo. It's like they still don't believe ukuthi baqoshiwe lapha kuleyo ndzawo. Bathi abaqoshi abantu labalegal but baqosha abantu abanganawo amaphepha. Baqosha abantu abanganawo amaphepha because ngibo laba bangabugebengu la South Africa, and seyiclean leyo ndzawo ever since babaqoshile laphayana clean. They are saying ukuthi now they are expounding letinye tindzawo nyalubo clean kuletinye tindzawo in some part of Johannesburg since laphayana siyabona ukuthi seclean. Maphoyisa ahlala qaphile isimo 24 hours bahlala balaphayana. Abantu bathi bajabule ngendlela lesimanga njengoba sebayakhona ukumova freely kulenza bandlule bahambe baye emsebentini baphephile njengoba sibona le video leni yanamhla ekuseni. Namhla kuyiMonday bantu badile emsebentini bayasho nje ukuthi bajabule ngendlela lesimanga ngemsebenzi lowento walapha eJohannesburg ukuthi iqoshwe ama-foreigner because people were saying because they were really uncomfortable basaba ngidlula laphana because of inkunzi lebanjwa lapha ebanjwa nje emini inkunzi bantu bahamba. So people are saying ukuthi they are really excited, they are really happy nokuthi usebaqala babona tindzawo bangadibuni mabandlula lapha babutane nje ukuthi hayibo lokhu kudzala bekelana hawu lokhu vele bekila bekungabonakali because bekusiminye isiphithiphithi guys lebe silaphana vele bengeke uzubone lutho endolo ubonako nje bobona nje timbahla yonke indzawo timbahla kuhambe kufuna uhambe ngeside yo ayibe kuyimess lapha kuleya ndzawo njengoba ubona sekusona sekuclean sekuhlobile sekuvulekile bantu sebayakhona nokuhamba. Lokusho kona ukuthi guys iSouth Africa igcwaliswa ma-foreigner. Yes sibaningi South Africa but hayi ngale ndlela likuvele kube ngakhona mase kunema-foreigner. Guys ma-foreigner ngiwo lamosha iSouth Africa, and lokhu abakwendi kulamanye ama-country abakwendi ema-country abo but bayakhona kukwenda la South Africa, and people are saying ukuthi enough is enough. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.